Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and our today's topic is students. Just look, spelling practice book, page number 15 to 19, 30 and 31. Spelling practice book. SPB means spelling practice book. So now students, please look at the board. At first, just look here, students. L for lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. L-E-A-F, leaf. L-I-O-N, lion. L-E-G, leg. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. Now look at the pictures. There are three pictures here. So the first one, what is this, students? This is the picture of lion. So we have to write it L-I-O-N, lion. Now the next one, what is this? This is the picture of a leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. Now what is this? This is the picture of a lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. So L for lion, leaf, lamp. Now go to the next page. M. M for mat. M-A-T, mat. M-U-G, mug. M-I-L-K, milk. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. M-A-N-G-O, mango. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. So the first picture, look at the picture. What is this? This is the picture of a mango. Write the spelling here. M-A-N-G-O, mango. The next picture, what is this? This is the picture of a mat. M-A-T, mat. And this one, what is this? This is the picture of a mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. So here we have seen that M for mango, mat, mouse. Now the next one, N. N for nail. N-A-I-L, nail. N-E-T, net. N-U-T, nut. N-O-S-E, nose. N-E-S-T, nest. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. The first picture, what is this, students? Just listen, you have to color the pictures. So what is this? This is the picture of a net. N-E-T, net. This is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. And what is this? This is the picture of nest. N-E-S-T, nest. So N for net, nose, nest. Now the next one, O. O for O-W-L, owl. O-I-L, oil. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. O-C-T-O, octopus, bus, octopus. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Look at the first picture. What is this? This is the picture of an octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. This is the picture of an owl. O-W-L, owl is a bird. This is the picture of a fruit, very tasty fruit, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. So here O for octopus, owl, orange. Now go to the next one. P. P for what? P for parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-E-N, pen. P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. P-I-L-L-O-W, pillow. So look at the first picture. What is this? This is a very nice bird, peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. This is picture of what? Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. And this one, what is this? This is the picture of pen. P-E-N, pen. Students, now go to page number 30. Read the box words below and fill in the gaps with the missing letter or letters. Just look, there are some words but some letters are missing here. At first, just look here, there are some words here. Cake, apple, duck, ball, drum, cat, banana, eggs, cock, angel, bag, doll. So from this word, we have to fill in the blanks. At first, just look at the first one. A-X-E, X. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-N-G-E-L, angel. B-A-L-L, ball. B-A-L-L, ball. B-A-L-L, ball. B-G. So what will be here? B-A-G, bag. B-N-A. It will be banana. Just look at the picture. This is the picture of a banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. What is this? This is the picture of a cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. This is the picture of a cake. C-K-. So what will be in the gap? Which letters? C-A-K-E, cake. C-C-. So what will be here in the first gap? C-O. In the first gap, this O and C-O-C-K. In the last gap, it will be K. So C-O-C-K, cock. Now D-C-. In the first gap, it will be U. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Now D-U-. But just look at the picture. This is the picture of a drum. So D-R-U-M, drum. This is the picture of a doll. D-L. D-O-L-L, doll. So here A, X, apple, angel, ball, bag, banana, cat, cake, cock, duck, drum, doll. Now go to the next page. E-G. Just look at first you have to read this word. Fish, goat, eagle, house, finger, gun, elbow, grape, horse, hat, egg, fox. So just look here, E-G. So what will be here? E-double-G, egg. E-G-E. So in the first gap it will be E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Now the next picture, E-B-W. In the first gap it will be elbow. E-L-B-O-W. It is elbow. Now the next picture, F-S-. So what will be here? Fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Now the next picture, F-X. So what will be here? F-O-X, fox. F-N-E dash. It will be finger. Just look at the picture. Finger. F-I-N, G-E-R, finger. Now G for G sounds. G-N. What will be here? G-U-N, gun. G-A dash. G-O-A-T, goat. G-A-E. What will be here? This is a picture of a grape. G-R-A-P-E, grape. Now H sounds. H for what? H for H-T. What will be here? Hat. This is the picture of a hat. H-A-T, hat. This is the picture of a house. H-U-E. So here in the first gap it will be H-O-U. In the second gap it will be S. So the word is house. Now the last picture, this is the picture of a horse. H-R-E. Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Okay, students, stay safe, stay well, take care, Allah Hafiz.